Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to cover a very interesting topic and very informative for you. Today we will discuss the ninth planet of solar system, that was Pluto, and now it is excluded from the list of planets. Question arises, what happened to Pluto that it is excluded from the list of planets? In this video we will discuss the answer of this question. Pluto was discovered in 1930 and was called the ninth planet for many years. In 2006, scientists changed the definition of a planet and Pluto no longer met all the rules, so it was reclassified as dwarf planet. Here we will discuss the exact definition of planets and what definition is not followed by Pluto, so it has to be excluded from the list of planets. For clearing the answer of questions, first we will discuss solar system. Here you can see that Sun is present in the center and all the planets are orbiting the Sun in fixed path. Planets never lose or leave their path. They always follow this orbit and all planets are round in shape and no any other object come in the path of orbit of a planet. And according to new definition of planet, and this definition is given by International Astronomical Union IAU, a planet must orbit the Sun, be round in shape, and clear its orbit of other objects. These three are the definition of planets. And Pluto meets the first two rules. Pluto orbits the Sun and it is round in shape, but failed the third one, clear its orbit of other objects. How it failed this rule? First we will discuss what clear its orbit means. It means a planet must be the strongest object in its path and remove or control other nearby objects. Means no any object must become in the path of the planet, or orbit must not be shared by any other object. But Pluto shares its orbit with many icy objects in Kuiper belt, so it has no cleared its orbit. Here you can see the diagram. It is Kuiper belt, and when Pluto move around the Sun, it share many things in this belt in the same orbit. So it do not clarify the third definition of planet. So what is Pluto now? Pluto is now called a dwarf planet, along with other like Eris, Haumea, and Ceres. These are also dwarf planet, so Pluto is included in the list of these planets. Let's see the pictures of different dwarf planets. Pluto is also one of them. Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Ceres. All these are now called dwarf planets and Pluto is also one of them. So Pluto is smaller than Moon. Here are some fun facts for you. 1 year on Pluto is 248 Earth years and Pluto has 5 moons. Here you can see a comparison of Earth, Moon and Pluto. Size of Earth, Moon and Pluto. So we can say that Pluto is now a dwarf planet. It is excluded from the list of planets because it shares its orbit with many other things in its belt. It is round in shape, it orbits the Sun, but it failed the third definition of planet, so we have to remove it from the list of planets. Now there are total 8 planets in the solar system and Pluto is a dwarf planet. So we can conclude that Pluto may not be a planet anymore, but it will always be a legend for our solar system. I hope you have understand the question. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz till the next video.